The National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center has issued Tornado Watch number 132, effective until 8:30 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Kansas, Barber, Barton, Clark, Comanche, Edwards, Ellsworth, Ford, Harper, Harvey, Kingman, Kiowa, McPherson, Meade, Pawnee, Pratt, Reno, Rice, Rush, Saline, Sedgwick, Stafford, and Sumner, and the following counties: in Nebraska, Alfalfa, Canadian, Cleveland, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Garfield, Grant, Kay, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, Major, Maize, Noble, Nowata, Okfuskee, Oklahoma, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Payne, Pottawatomie, Rogers, Seminole, Tulsa, Wagner, Washington, and Woods. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Barber County in south-central Kansas until 12 p.m. CDT. At 11:29 a.m. CDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hardner, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Kiowa, Hartner, Sharon, Lake City, Medicine Lodge, and Sun City. Precautionary/preparedness actions: remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Barber County and south-central Kansas until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 11 miles northwest of Hartner, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Barber County. Precautionary preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris.
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Barber County in south-central Kansas and southeastern Pratt County in south-central Kansas until 1:16 p.m. CDT. At 12:47 p.m. CDT, a confirmed tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Medicine Lodge, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: Weather Spotters confirm tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Medicine Lodge around 1:01 p.m. CDT. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
If you're seeing this on the day released, or like years after, exactly, well, if you're seeing this on April 19th in general, it's my birthday. Give me happy birthday wishes in the comments. And, wow. Giving myself actual deadlines makes me work really hard on stuff. Never expected I'd actually get this done. Thank you for all the support over the years, and there will be more of this to come. See ya.